Welcome to PhiCorp. My name's Quest, and I'm the founder of PhiCorp. I wanted to introduce myself using our new flagship feature called Mirrorcast. Check it out. You can do whatever you want. PhiCorp is a B2C, B2B platform that lets both creators and consumers generate 3D avatars and share experiences using just an image. Like this.
Hello!
This is an idea I had in college, inspired by the Fibonacci sequence, that has transformed into what you see today. Thank you for your interest in PhiCorp.